Today we will have the explanation of a very important chapter of English language, that is tenses. Rather, I would say it will be the explanation of present tense. Okay. Now, to know about present tense, first of all we need to know about tenses. Now, what are tenses? Let me tell you that. But when we are saying different sentence, okay, we are not using same words or same verbs. For example, if I say I am going to school, that means I am going right now. Okay, I am doing the action right now. If I say I went to school, that means हम गए थे. Okay, that already will happen. Now, that is tenses. When we are using different actions, okay, we are using different mode of actions, okay, we are going to use tenses. So, easily I can say that for using different types of speeches, we are using different types of tenses, okay. Tenses are actually the action of the verb. कैसे वो action हो रहा है, okay. So tenses are of three types. Number one is present tense, okay. That is the actions which are now being happening, okay, or which are there in the present time. वो आपका present tense है. Number two is past tense. Past, you all know past मतलब जो हो चुका है, okay. So in the past time जो भी action था वो हो रहा था या हो चुका था, जो भी है. So past time में जो भी actions था, those will be under the category of past tense. And future tense means the actions which are going to be there at our future time, okay. Those will be considered as future tense, okay. So today in this chapter, we will in this class we have the explanation of present tense, okay. Now present I have already explained that the actions which are there at present time, ठीक है. अभी जो है तो वो आपका है present tense. Now present tense also can be classified into four types. I have written here: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we are going to have the explanation of simple present tense. Now, simple present tense is actually the tense which show the regular actions, okay. The actions which we do regularly. For example, I can say I wake up early in the morning. We brush our teeth twice a day. I go to school every day. We all read every day. Okay, जो action बेटा हम लोग regular कर रहे हैं, those actions will be under the category of simple present tense. Okay. Now one more thing I will be telling you, that with the universal truths also we tell using simple present tense. For example, if I say the example, the earth revolves around the sun. मतलब earth sun के around revolve कर रहा है. So बेटा this action, this is the action which can never be changed. वो change नहीं हो सकता. Okay. If I say the sun rises in the east, sun हमेशा east से ही rise करता है. बेटा this action also I cannot change. So बेटा the actions which we cannot change or which can never be changed, okay, are known as universal truths. जो truth कभी change नहीं होता. And to tell universal truths also, we are going to use simple present tense. Okay. Now we have to know the formula, and formula I have written word plus s or es according to the subject. Now it is important that according to the subject we have to add either s or es. Now if I say I, बेटा I के साथ हम लोग word में कोई s और es नहीं लगाते. For example, if I say I go to school, I teach, I dance. Okay. So when we are saying I, we are not going to use any s or es. Similarly, in case of you, we, okay, they, we are not going to use s or es. They go to school, we go to school, you go to school. Okay. Rest, otherwise in rest of the cases, for example, he goes to school, or if I am saying any name, Ram goes to school, we are adding s or es. Okay. So this is simple present tense. Now come to the second one, that is present continuous tense. Okay. Now the definition of present continuous tense is actually there within the name itself. Present continuous. Look better, continuous. Continuous actually refers to something which is being continuing. जो अभी continue हो रहा है, ठीक है. For example, I am teaching. You all are listening. अभी हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं at present moment, वही आपका है बेटा present continuous tense, ठीक है. Now बेटा let us first of all know the formula. The formula is am, is, are, obviously according to the subject, and then बेटा word plus ing. Now if I say I, बेटा I के साथ तो am होता है. तो चलिए let me tell one example. Now teach, okay. I am teaching. बेटा यही अगर आप teach करते हो तो फिर क्या बोलेंगे you. Now बेटा with you हम लोग are लगाते हैं. So take one name, Ram. Ram, beta with name we always use is. Ram is teaching. Okay, so beta with the subject or according to the subject we have to use either am or is or are. Okay, and then beta we have to use ing with the verb. I am teaching, they are dancing, we are playing. Okay beta, so this is the present continuous tense. Now come to the third one, that is present perfect tense. Okay, now but a simple present tense and present continuous tense we have understood. Now but a present perfect tense. Okay, let me tell that there are some actions which we are not doing right now. Okay, the actions which we have just finished, अभी हम लोग खत्म किए हैं, तो उसको बेटा हम लोग कंटिन्यूअस भी नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेल देम पास्ट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत देर पहले खत्म हो चुका है, अभी तुरंत खत्म हुआ है. जैसे हम लोग कभी कभी बोलते हैं ना that whenever our parents served us breakfast, okay, हम लोग जब खा लेते हैं what do we call or what do we say? We always say mama I have finished, मतलब हम खा लिए. तो बेटा देखो ये जो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं I have finished, okay, इसका मतलब आप ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी फिनिश कर रहे हो या फिर ऐसा नहीं कि फिनिश कर चुके हो बहुत पहले. That means the action you have just finished. Okay, so for those sentences we are going to use present perfect tense. Okay, so let us know the formula first. It is beta has or have plus the past participle form of the verb. Now again according to the subject we have to add either has or have. Now with I, you, we, they we have to add have. Okay, and for he, she, it or any name we are going to use has. So if I say हम डांस करें, हम डांस किए, I have danced. Okay, कभी कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना मैम I have done my work, अभी हम वर्क कर लिए. Okay, I have done my work. So these are beta present perfect tense. Okay, so come to the last one, last category of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Again beta, in the name itself the definition is hidden. Present perfect continuous. Now beta we are not saying only continuous कि अभी हो रहा है, we are adding perfect also, that is present perfect continuous. That means the actions which are going on right now, क्योंकि continuous बेटा है, the term continuous is there, that means अभी वो काम हो रहा है. Okay, but the action has already been started earlier, बहुत देर पहले start हो चुका था. Okay, but still going on. Let me give an example. एक बच्चा सुबह से रो रहा है. Look, the child was crying from the morning. Okay, but the child is still crying. Okay, so we are going to use, first of all let me tell the formula. Has or have, obviously according to the subject, then been plus verb plus ing. The child has been crying from the morning. I have been studying from the morning. Are you all understanding? Has or have according to the subject, then we are writing been, then verb plus ing. So beta the formulas are very important. If you all are getting the formula or learning the formula, okay, and you are understanding the context, that is the moment or the time, okay, or the usage of these tenses, you will be able to speak the sentences. Okay, so I suggest all of you to listen to the video or go through the video well. Okay, and the formulas I am going to send. Okay, so everybody watch the video and read them so that you all can understand them. Okay, thank you.